Okay guys, this is what you're seeing. This is what my nose looks like. Hey guys, it's Tina here. I am back and ready to film a new episode of Tina Tries It for you guys. Today I am trying out this product. It is a pore peel off mask, but I'm doing it with a bit of a twist. I'll be showing you guys what my skin looks like before and after, real close, like super zoomed in. We're talking 1000 zoom here with my new microscope. I am so happy to be back. I had a little bit of a short break, and if you watched my last video, you guys kind of know what's been happening with me, but I feel so much better now. I feel like I've just had this weight off my shoulders because kind of just I don't know, I took a little bit of a break and just had time to reflect. And since that video, I've received lots of amazing comments and messages from friends and family and from you guys. So thank you guys so much for the ongoing support and love. It's really helped me get through this I don't know, this haze in my life. But I am back and I am ready for a new episode of Tina Tries It. So the product I'm trying out today isn't a new product. You've probably seen it before. It is the Pore Clear Pad Pore Cleansing Mask from Yong. So inside you have the pore peeling mask, which is like a liquid form that you squeeze over your skin. And there's 10 pore clear pads that's in the box, which helps to melt the sebum and blackheads. So basically how this works is you apply the pore pad on your nose first, and that's gonna help melt the sebum and blackheads and soften them up, and you leave it on for about 10 minutes. Then you go in with this guy and apply it all over your nose, and this will set in about 15 minutes and you peel it off. So before I do that, I wanna give you guys a up close look at my my nose area or my pores. And I know that a lot of you guys think I have really amazing skin, but trust me guys, with this microscope, you're just gonna think very differently. Okay, so let's go in. So this is my microscope. It is 1000 times zoomed in, and there's a little light so you can really see what it looks like. So I'll record it on my screen and show you guys. Okay guys, this is what you're seeing. This is what my nose looks like. You can see that there are pores and lots of little hairs as well. I didn't even know I had a hairy nose until now. Oh, my skin looks really oily as well, and you can see some red broken capillaries. Ugh, not the prettiest sight. So you guys can see that I have lots of little blackheads, and oh my god, so much hair. Oh, you're getting close to my nose. Look how big those pores look. They're really clogged or something. Oh, look, that one's a dark one. Oh, that one is a very dark one. How disgusting does my skin look, guys? It's so gross. I didn't know I had so many little hairs and all those pores and just oily skin. Ugh. So that's the before. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Pore Clear pad now. So this is what the pad looks like. It's just it's not sticky or anything. There's just a solution on it that's gonna help melt the sebum. So I'm just gonna pop it over my nose. Make sure it's touching my skin. And I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. I'm back, it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to remove this pad. No, it still looks the same. Now for the fun part, I'm going to apply the modeling mask. So this just comes in a tube. Oh, I'm just gonna squeeze it out and apply it on my nose. It's really sticky. It kind of looks like chocolate too. I'm just going to smooth out an even layer. It has a rubbery, plasticky smell, which I'm not too fond of. Feels like I'm putting icing on my nose. Okay, so I don't look very sexy at the moment, but hopefully this will remove my blackheads. So I'm going to let this set. It's going to take about 15 minutes and that's going to harden up, and then I can go in and peel it. So once it's hard, I'll come back and I'll peel it and show you guys. I think I may have applied a bit too much, or the layer was a little bit too thick. So I actually waited about like 25, almost 30 minutes to see if this thing set, and it feels like it's already hardened up. It's not like completely hard like those pore strips, but it's just like, I guess like more plasticky rubbery, and it's dry now, so it's not sticky anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off. So I'm just gonna get my nail and flick one side up. Oh, it is a little bit painful, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I feel like it got some stuff. Oh, he's not set yet. I'm gonna blast it with a hairdryer. See if that helps set it a little bit. So it's not completely dry in that corner, but let's just move on. I might go in on this side. Ooh, ow. Oh, again, it's not set there. Ah, owie. Woo! I did it. Okay, so these parts didn't really like come off. It's still a little bit sticky actually. I might just like pick it off now. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look at the mask so you guys can see if it removed anything. Oh, you can see that it did take off a lot of my little hairs. They're super fine hairs though. And also some little blackheads. Yeah, it did. Ew, how gross is it? Okay, so now let's have a look at my skin, okay? I still see pores. They look like blackheads, lots of little hairs still. I think a lot of them are still there, but I guess like when we looked at the strip, it did take off some blackheads, but not a lot of them. Oh yeah, like especially here. There's still a lot of blackheads. Let's check on the other side. Oh, that's a big hair. Oh, that's so gross, that blackhead right there. I can look at my nose forever. And there's still lots of blackheads actually. That's a really blackhead. Ew. I feel like from the tip of my nose it removed more hair than blackheads. So as you saw the microscope, you can still see lots of little pores around here. Some of them are a bit darker, especially on the sides. And on the tip of my nose you could see I do have little pores, little blackheads here and there. So that's why it does really show up on the microscope, plus all the little hairs. When it comes to removing the blackheads, I don't feel like this peel off pore mask is as great as, you know, those good old school BRA like nose strips that harden up, that you just like apply water and it hardens up. I feel like those are really good at removing blackheads, whereas this one, I don't know, I don't feel like it's as strong. It does hurt when you peel it off, but I don't feel like it grips onto the blackheads as much, considering you applied this beforehand to kind of like help soften it up. I don't feel like it did that much for me personally. Also, the smells of this is kind of yuck. It smells like plastic and rubber, and I'm not a big fan of it. So in saying all this, I would rate it a 3 out of 10. It's not the best peel off mask I've tried. So that is it to this episode of Tina Tries It. I hope you guys didn't get too grossed out at my zoomed in blackheads. Ugh. And all the little hairs, but I thought it was a fun way to test out a product to see what your skin actually looks like and show you guys a really zoomed in before and after, because sometimes, you know, the camera can be a bit misleading when you just look at my skin visually. When you zoom in, you can kind of see there's a difference. Yeah, so that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. And yeah, I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye.